That's an official message. Being fished out of the road. Everywhere is top. That's a car. Sunk inside there. As of today, September 16, 2023. Those are the mopos. And their hillocks has been stuck inside the water already. That's a stubborn car who tried to maneuver.
Not be juju be that.
So we advise everybody to stay at home or something, or find alternative. There's no road in. There's no road right now in on that bridge, so you could find alternative roads. Everywhere stops. That's another flying boat they are using now to force you. As you can see, flying boat is forcing human. If we flying boats, no, it's forcing. Oh my God! Wow, that's the VIP. Forcing the boat. A fish flying boat. This is satellite sound.
Hey! I hear me, but me.
Trade Fair International Market. As of today, September 16, 2023. No! Downpour of the rain has kept all moving vehicles, including humans.
Just they play.
Due to the
They play. They play.
This traffic has started all the way from Niger.
Don't run! Murife, don't run!
I think it's
Hey!
already.
Murife, don't run! Murife, don't run!
Everywhere is
Hey!
stopped.
Wait. I'm driving my own. Let me tell you what happened. I'm driving on my own. I'm flying down. I did not want to stop, but because